Greetings of the day. I'm Amravati, working as a functional English and life skills trainer in APSWRS and JCH Duckley in SPSR Nellore district. Today, I'm going to speak about misspelled and confused words. What are the misspelled and confused words? Where we confused while we are writing some spellings? What are the words often confused? In English, there are many words that sound or look alike but have different meaning, and your spell checker cannot always tell the difference. So, let's review some of the most commonly confused pairs of words in writing. Here, I am showing some examples related to the misspelled and confused words. Here you see. Quit, quite, and quite. Quit, Quit. Quit is a verb that means to give up. I am going to quit my job. Quite, Quit. Quiet is an adjective describing little or no noise. You must be quiet at library. Next one, quiet, Quite. Quite is an adverb that means entirely, rather, or exceptionally. The movie was quite entertaining. This is the difference between quit, quite, and quite, where we have to use these spellings. Next example, weather. Weather, Weather. Weather refers to the climate outside. We are going to have great weather this summer. Weather, Weather. Weather introduces alternatives or indirect questions. You must decide whether or not to pursue your degree. Next one, principal. A principal is a head of a school. Go to the principal's office. Here spelling is Principal, principal. Next, principle. A principle is an idea or belief. I disagree on principle. Principle, principle. This is the difference between principle and principle. Accept. Accept means to take something offered or come to terms. I accept your apology. Accept, Except. Accept excludes things or sets them apart. When Suhasini travels, she packs everything except the kitchen sink. Next one, effect. Affect is a verb that means to cause a change. Being teased at school deeply affected him. Effect, Effect. Affect is a noun referring to the change itself. The new principal is trying to effect positive change in her students. Another example, to. To is a preposition that expresses direction or location. Let's go to the store. To is an adverb that means in excess or as well. I would like to go to store too, but it's too far to walk. Next, TWO. 2 is a number 2. The store is 2 miles away. Next example, lose. Lose is a verb to become unable to fight or to mislead. How many games did your team lose last season? Next, loose is an adjective. It means not tight. I have lost 20 pounds and now these jeans are really loose. Here we have to pronounce lose, L-O-S-E, lose, and L-O-S-E, loose. Next example, there. There is an adjective. It means belonging to, made by, or done by them. They were proud of their work. There is a noun that plays or point. Just put it over there. They are means it is a contraction of they plus are. They are going out to dinner tonight. Next example. Then. Than is used to compare things. The zoo is more fun than the park. Next, then. Then is used to express order or time. We will go to the park and then to the zoo. These are the examples of misspelled and confused words. Hope you understand the misspelled and confused words. Thank you.